Got a little unboxing here from Aquatic Art. This is on The Secret History Living in Your Aquarium. Alexander. I won a free shipping code. So this is my order from them. Oh, that's just a cool pack, I think. I don't know what that is. That's got a couple things in it there. Some stem plants. This is a tissue culture. I've never tried a tissue culture before. I think this one's supposed to be an Anubias Golden. I tried to only order things that I thought would do okay in my tanks are all low light, mostly 10-gallon tanks. This is this is the Anubias Nana here. Tissue culture. I ordered 2 tissue cultures. I've never tried those before. And then I ordered some stem plants. Oh, that's what I got. I think these are dwarf baby tears that I ordered. And I ordered some Anubiases. Not sure what this is. It just doesn't look that good. We'll have to get this all rinsed off and get it in the tank. Be planting it probably in this tank here because I need more plants in here.